Hey, this is Jim from DTRSec. This is the 10th video in the Reversing in REnigma series. We will continue analyzing the executable malware recorded earlier in this series. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the memory dump interface in REnigma. Let's do a quick overview of memory dump analysis in REnigma. First, we will select an rsnap to load. Then, we will make a memory dump at that rsnap. Then, we will examine the memory map of the malware executable process at that rsnap execution point. We will then also view the strings in that process at that execution point. And then we will show how to download the strings for you to process locally with your own tools. And finally, we will discuss advanced analysis of memory dumps in the REnigma console. Now, let's take a look at this in the REnigma web interface. First, start on the REnigma homepage. Then, we click on the Recordings tab. Then, we click on the Expand button for the recording we want to examine. And then, we click on the Start Paused toggle. Then we launch a replay. And now we scroll down to the Snapshots section. Let's select the rsnap that starts with the sequence number F886C. Then let's press Load Snapshot. As we saw in the last video, this execution point is when the malware opens the file office-click-to-run.exe for writing. Then let's click Dump Memory to create a new memory dump at this execution point. As you can see, the memory dump interface shows the process tree at the execution point of the memory dump. The process name, PID, PPID, and CR3, which is the physical address of the process's page table, are shown as metadata. Now, let's expand the main malware process in PID 6252 in the memory dump process tree. And then we can click on Process Map to examine the virtual memory map for this process. As we can see, the main exe file is mapped into the range 4A0000 to 679FFF. If we scroll down, we can see the other sections that are memory mapped. And any range that is file-backed has the file listed on the right side. This allows you to easily see mapped DLLs and other mapped memory files. We also give the initial permissions and size of each range. Next, we will click to expand strings to show all of the strings found in that process address space. If we scroll down, we can view the initial set of strings. And there is a button to download all of the strings locally for you to review. Last, you can analyze your memory dumps in the REnigma console interface. This allows you to use the API to interact with memory dumps in a bash environment. This environment includes Yara as well as other tools for analyzing memory dumps. You can access this in the Console tab of the GUI or through an SSH interface. Additionally, you can use SCP to transfer files into and out of the REnigma console. This allows you to upload your own tools and perform memory dump analysis on the REnigma server. And then you can download the results, allowing you to forego transferring large memory dump files. We will make a follow-up video to go into more depth on the console interface and command line memory dump analysis. And that's all for now. If you want to learn more about REnigma or are interested in evaluating REnigma, please visit dtrsec.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.